What is collagen? Collagen is one of the most abundant proteins in the human body, responsible for providing structure, strength, and elasticity to our skin, bones, and connective tissues. But did you know that not all collagen is created equal? Traditional collagen sourcing methods can be costly and complex. Enter recombinant collagen, an innovation that is revolutionizing industries from cosmetics to biotechnology. What is recombinant collagen? Recombinant collagen is a type of collagen produced using recombinant DNA technology. This method involves inserting the gene responsible for collagen production into a host organism, such as bacteria or yeast, which then synthesizes the collagen protein. This process allows for a more sustainable, cost-effective, and scalable production of high-quality collagen. Advantages of recombinant collagen. Unlike traditional collagen sources, recombinant collagen offers several key advantages. First, it eliminates the need for animal-based collagen, making it more ethical and eco-friendly. Second, it can be produced in large quantities with consistent quality, ideal for use in a wide range of applications. And lastly, it is highly customizable, tailored to meet the specific needs of various industries. Applications of recombinant collagen. Recombinant collagen plays a pivotal role in the beauty and skincare industries. It is widely used in anti-aging products as it helps improve skin elasticity, hydration, and overall appearance. Additionally, its ability to promote wound healing and skin regeneration makes it a valuable ingredient in medical-grade skincare, as well as aesthetic treatments like collagen injections and dermal fillers. Recombinant collagen from BOC Sciences. At BOC Sciences, we specialize in high-quality recombinant collagen products designed to meet the unique needs of the cosmetic and pharmaceutical industries. Our products are manufactured with precision, ensuring consistency and safety for every application. Whether you're looking for collagen for skincare formulations, injectables, or other cosmetic procedures, BOC Sciences offers tailored solutions to help you achieve the results you're looking for. Visit our website today for more information and don't hesitate to reach out for personalized solutions. We're here to help you bring the benefits of recombinant collagen to your products.